Okay, good morning, guys. It is, I don't know what time it is, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock, something like that. I literally just got up. So we are filming today and editing and all that. So we'll be having videos this week. I'm so excited. Last week I took the week off. I decided and I just needed a break from YouTube and life got in the way and I've been busy. Speaking of busyness, I got my nails done professionally. I went to the nail spa and nail salon last week with my mom, and that was a lot of fun and everything. So I've been trying to film videos before, like after that, but I didn't get the motivation like I do now. So let's go on with today's topic, which is how to choose an art style, how to find your art style, a couple of ways how you can define your art style, and we're going to talk about all that in today's video and how I've been finding mine and how you basically, we're going to be doing some exercises and everything in today's video as well on the iPad, so I'm really excited. And another good news, I actually got a printer, color printer that is, and it's over there. I don't know if you'll be seeing it in this vlog or not, but once we do a sticker vlog or something like that, like making stickers or something, I will show that in that video. But for now, we'll be talking about how to find your art style, tips and tricks, and I have only one tip for you guys, which is the best tip any artist can say, which is, I'm going to share the tip now so that throughout the video you can be thinking about it and you can be contemplating it or thinking about it throughout the video. Tip number one, you want to feel like an artist. And what I mean by that is not direct copying. Pick one feature. Say you're drawing a face, right? Say you're drawing a face. And you want to pick out several artists you admire and everything. And you want to pick out a couple of artworks that you like. Do not direct copy the whole face. Don't do that. That's stealing, but stealing in a wrong way. What you want to do, you want to say you like the eyes of one artist. Okay, good. So you take bits and pieces of the eye and draw a couple of times, but you want to put it in your own way. And tip number two, if you want to direct copy, don't post it anywhere, don't claim it as yours. Even if you do, credit that artist. That's just a proper way of crediting, but I wouldn't even risk it. You don't want to get backlash for that, and I'm just warning you guys now about it. Tip number three, you can draw the same character again in different styles, which I will be doing in today's video. I have a doll face style and I have a realistic style, and I will be doing that in today's video. So I have my sketchbook out here. By the way, this witch girl here on my sketchbook, that's a video coming by itself. So we'll be decorating the sketchbook cover together. I started a new sketchbook and everything. This is one of my styles I have, which is very cutesy and very, kind of like my style a little bit. This is my main style I have, by the way. And I wanted to talk about that. So what I mean by having more than one style, Sketchbook is a place where you can practice different styles. And this is what we're going to be working on today. And on the iPad, I scanned it in and I made a speed painting of it. So you'll be seeing a speed paint of this one and another drawing I've done with the same girl, but in a different style. This is my doll face style, and I feel like she came out really cute. It's not cutesy, not like this one here, but it's semi-realistic. So this is a style here that I was going for, cuteness and everything. So I'm going to pause the video here, pull up the iPad drawings and everything, and show you what I mean by realistic style and comic book style. So we'll talk about that in a second. Okay, hey guys, it's a little bit different video than what we usually been doing. Normally I don't usually have split screen, but since I learned how to do it, I'm really excited to bring you guys this video. This video is, again, a little bit different than what we usually do on this channel. I just wanted to talk about how you can find your art style, and tip number one I can give you so far is feel like an artist. And what I mean by that, don't direct copy them, but if you want to, say, draw eyes, or, study the lips, or study the nose, how you want to draw it, draw those features and then put everything together in a unique form like I've done here. That way you can practice your anatomy and practice what you need to practice, instead of going and drawing the whole face by itself, because that's a lot of components together. So tip number one, see like an artist. Tip number two, do not direct copy. You can copy on your own, but don't claim it as yours, and don't post it anywhere. If you do, credit that artist, tag that artist, get the artist permission before you post it anywhere. That's always a good thing. But tip number three, you want to draw the character twice. You want to draw in one style, like I'm doing here, and you can draw it in a different style, like I'm doing on the right side screen. Um, Style one on the left is my doll style. Um, Style number two on the right is my comic book style. And these are fashion sketches, and I decided to draw the same character but different styles, and yet they look similar. I wanted to do this exercise because I think it's really helpful to see your growth and see where you came. I have three styles right now that I like to gravitate towards. My cutesy style, like you saw, that you'll see at the end of the video, with a sketchbook cover, and that video is coming soon, of decorating sketchbook cover together. Another thing that you want to practice on, and practice each individual feature by themselves. You want to take a scrap piece of paper, fill a whole paper with eyes or nose or something. Tip number four, and the last tip that I want to give you guys and leave you guys for you to think throughout the whole video is, let the style find you. And the reason I say this is because let's say, it's like, what are your likes? What are your dislikes? And say you like to watch a certain TV show, or you want to watch anime or manga, you want to draw in that style. But let the style find you. You don't want to force it. And that's a tip that artists actually give you and everything. And I just find that really, really helpful, because I like to draw unicorns. That's kind of my style a little bit, because I say that in a reason that, because that's what I like to draw. I like to draw cute, kawaii things. I'm kind of known for that on this channel, and the more you post on Instagram, and the more you post on social media, people will say, I like your style, I like your character, I like your blah blah blah. But the point is, draw what you like to draw, and let your style find you. Don't get caught up in finding a certain style, or finding, um, you know, the nitty gritty of that style and copy that artist. And I'm saying this to myself because I find it a really passionate topic, that a lot of artists try to convey on their channels and everything. I'm not bashing them. I'm just giving my 2 cents. Um, but I found this process very helpful in a way, and I hope this will find you in a way of a good practice and a good technique that you guys can try. I'll see you guys in the outro of this video. I'm editing today and I'm filming today, and my birthday coming up this Tuesday, so I'm really excited. I don't know exactly if I'll be taking that day off. So if you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Submit your art to my Instagram, email Anna08, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Okay, hey guys, and welcome back. So we're going to be talking about my comic book style and how I developed it. I didn't necessarily copy. I didn't do that. I just picked out, like, say I want to draw the lips. Okay, well, I'm studying the lips and I'm practicing anatomy on my own and trying to define that. But here is my comic book fashion sketch, line art, everything. I imported this into my iPad by scanning it, and we'll do a speed paint of that. I'll have the speed paint side by side on screen, so that way you guys can see the two differentiations of styles. You can combine styles if you want to, but to make your own. But my whole point is, don't direct copy, just you know, take and choose what you will. And the cool thing is, if you have more than one style like I do, you can choose whatever you're in the mood for that day. Like, if saying you want to have a semi-realistic doll face, you can. If you want a comic book style, you can. I'm opening up the door for you so that way you guys can take what I'm saying, implement it into your art. So let me show you the iPad drawings I have right here on my iPad. Here is the finished drawing of the realistic comic book style of my iPad of this girl here. If you want to name her, go ahead and name her in the comments. I would love to see your name. Her main, style here is blue color, and I kind of like that idea of a blue girl. Here is the doll face. Here is the doll face style. So I'm really excited about how she turned out, and you can see here I lowered the opacity of the original sketch. And yeah, so we're going to be doing the speed paints in today's video and everything, so I just wanted to come on here, give you guys some tips and tricks how I would go about finding my own style. But tip number 3 is the most important tip any artist can say to you guys, is let the style find you. You don't want to go searching. I'm contradicting myself here. You don't want to go searching out and forcing your style to come. You want your style to come to you. And you will know it because with this main style I have here, I love drawing cute things and I love drawing the cute aesthetic. But what you really want to do, you want your style to find you. And that's in with you and your heart and what you like to draw. I love to draw unicorns. That's kind of my style. And I love to draw unicorns. And I love to draw cute things. So, guys, if you are new here to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If this video was disappointing to you and you didn't get anything out of it, I'm so sorry, but I hope you did. But if you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn the notification bell on so you won't miss a video. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. And by the way, my birthday is coming up on Tuesday. I'm so excited. I don't know if I'm going to be taking that day off or not, so we'll see. Probably not, because I'm going to be so excited and everything. So there's a birthday vlog coming up for you guys, and I'm really excited. So give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let's wrap up this video.